Hey y'all, in today's video I will be installing and doing a deep side part style with this unit that I received from Arabella Hair. This is their 13x6 lace frontal wig. The texture is straight. I got this in 20 inches and this is a 210% density wig. Prior to filming, I did go in and bleach the knots, and I also had to pluck the hairline. As you can see, the hairline is pretty full, so I did have to go back in and pluck the hairline and just do a little bit more work for it to just look a little bit more natural. And I also sprayed my Eben medium brown lace tint on the lace. So to lay down my lace, I'm going in with my Bold Hold Active. I like to apply 2 layers of this glue just for that extra security and extra melt. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting just for that extra melt. I like to do this just to secure that lace down and make sure it's fully dry. Now when it comes to cutting my lace, I do like to cut my lace in a zigzag motion. I like to do this because it just gives that lace more of a natural look as opposed to just cutting it straight across. I'm going in with my Eben Firm Hold Adhesive Spray just to lay down those areas that did not fully glue down from the Bold Hold Active glue. Now that the lace is fully glued down and dry, I like to go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15, and this really helps it really just pulls the entire lace together. It makes it look so much more natural and just look at it. It's just like blending so well with my skin tone. Now it's time to style this side part. So I'm doing my side part on the left side. I'm more of like a left side part type of girl, but if you are comfortable with your right side, you are more than welcome to part it on the right side. But I'm going in with my hot comb just to flatten it down just a little bit so I can really see that parting space. Now the key to get that deep side part illusion with the baby hairs type of look, the key is to, when you're parting, you want to like curve that part in like the front area, if you know what I mean. And from here, I'm only pulling out a thin layer of baby hairs like I normally would on any other unit, because I don't want that dramatic fluffy look. I just want to go for something just a little bit more on the natural side. Now to mold that wig down the top to get it flat and neat and laid, you want to go in with a wax stick. I'm using the Luster's wax stick. Now I usually don't use this much product, especially when it comes to the wax stick, because it can make the hair a little oily and it can weigh it down. But when it comes to that side part, you want that to be very, very flat. Like that foundation has to be flat. So with that being said, I'm now going in with my blow dryer to flatten down this wig. And I'm using this on the hottest heat setting just so that it can really just get flattened down. I love doing this step before I use my hot comb because it really does help to flatten your wig down. Now I am using my Revlon flat iron. This is actually the wide flat iron. It really I love this flat iron. It helps me to get through the hair so quickly. And when it comes to flat ironing my hair, I do it the lazy way. I'm gonna be honest. I just pick whatever piece and I just flat iron. I don't really have a technique when it comes to flat ironing my hair. As long as the hair is straightened and there's no pieces that just look crazy, I'm satisfied. to make sure this area, like the top of my head and even just the side, is just nice and flat, I like to go in with my flat iron, and then I also go in with my hot comb section by section, just so I can make sure it is fully flattened and sleeked down. So moving on to the baby hairs, I am going in and plucking the baby hairs, just thinning out this area just so that it can look a little bit more natural when I do my baby hairs. Unless you want to go for that dramatic thick baby hair look, then keep it like that. But I'm trying to go for more of like the natural look, so I'm just going in and thinning the hair out. So to achieve that fluffy baby hair look, I'm going in with my thin flat iron, and I'm flat ironing the hair towards my face, so downwards. I just love the way the baby hairs come out when I do it this way. So overall for this wig, I don't have many complaints about it. I do love how thick the hair is. I love the texture of this wig and everything. The lace, it is not more on the thin side, but it does match and blend in with my skin tone so well, so I can't even complain about that. The hairline was pretty full and thick, but I don't know, I feel like it just still came out looking natural to me. I guess the way you pluck it, the way you customize it, really all ties into how the wig come out. I'm going in with the Garnier Sleek and Shine Serum just so I can add some luster, hydration to this wig and just give it life. So off camera, I did go in and cut the ends of this wig, and it just made the wig look 10 times better. It just gave it that nice blunt cut look, and it just made the ends look so much more full. So here's the end result, and I absolutely love the way this hair came out. Like, I'm gonna be honest, this is my first time doing the deep side part and I fell in love with it. I'm not a side part girl, but I think I am now. And just the hair itself, it was just so full, so soft. The density of the wig, it was so thick, and everything about this wig was just great quality. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.